Hi, my name is Thomas Fezzey and this is my senior capstone project. What I did for my project was create a company known as IoT Tech LLC. It's a consumer electronics company based on the Internet of Things, or IoT, which brings smart capabilities to products that don't typically have them, like smartwatches and phones and all that kind of stuff. I also created the hardware for the first prototype that we're launching on the market, which is what you are watching right now. This prototype is called the IoT Tech Smart Screen, and it is a matrix of LEDs that can be used to display whatever you want via Bluetooth. All of the LEDs are in parallel, and they can pull up to 6 amps when turned on full brightness on white. The most I have ever pulled from them is 3.78 amps, and all of the data pins are linked in a daisy chain. So what I had to do first was design the actual circuit for it. It's an NRF52 based circuit, which means that it's Bluetooth and it has one single microprocessor that controls all of the LEDs. We had to do 5 volt regulation because originally the hardware had 12 volts coming into it. The next part of this project was to actually create the physical PCB that would be used in our prototype. To do this, I had to use Altium Designer and took the schematic that I had created on paper and transferred it over to a 3D model and rendering of the PCB that was actually used in our prototype. It's a 2-layer board, and the dimensions of it are 1.3 by 2.1 inches. When I got the PCBs from China, I had to put them in this enclosure. This is the finished smart controller for the board. Now I'm going to go over how to use it. First, plug the micro USB into the smart controller board. Then, plug the USB into a USB power source. The next step is to take the 3-pin cord from the matrix and plug it into the smart controller board. Once you have that plugged in, go ahead and press the button, and then the matrix should light up green on default. The next step is to use the matrix. First, launch the app, then once the app launches, you'll see it says not connected. Then it will connect to the board automatically if Bluetooth is on. Then just go ahead and press each button to change the color of the matrix.